Yo, 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 it's my first vlog. First and ever vlog. I'm back to Cebu. That place is Negros, my hometown. Fresh from Fiesta. My bus going to Cebu City. The yellow bus. That one. And then, puti kayo lang, white sun. Puti kayo siya. Awa. Kung nag-green-green ang yuta. Then, muna siya ang Peebles Resort. Kanang medyo white sun. Okay, back to Cebu. Bye!